You couldn't go one route, you couldn't say, oh, I only had 2 folk on the tram. You were always, always busy. My name is Bette Simpson. I was born in Airdrie, 1935. And I drove a Coronation tram and also the standard trams too. I was working in Boots factory and my boyfriend left the RAF, came home after 3 years, got a job in the trams, driver, and then we were saving up to get married and his wages were double what I was getting. So I became a conductress. I was a clippie for 2.5 years and then they opened up a school for motor women, and Archie, my boyfriend, he says, why don't you go for the drive? He says, driving, tram? He says, why don't you? I thought, oh, well, I'll try it. And that was me. That's how I went it. It was good just standing there and getting the power on, and you got this control. You were in control of this big thing. I mean, to you it was enormous. No, I thought it was the worst thing that the corporation had ever even thought of. Definitely, because they were popular. You couldn't go one route, you couldn't say, oh, I only had 2 folk on the tram. You were always, always busy.
So what's your thoughts on the tram getting restored?
Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely. They did great. It really is. Everybody. I mean, it brings back so many memories for a whole lot of people.